Welcome to Keto Meals. So today we're going to make some prosciutto wrapped asparagus. This is my favorite little side dish, little snack to have. Come home from a hard day's work and you want to make something real quick. And this is a great because you can pair this to like a little shrimp scampi, or you just eat this on your own. So I start a little bushel of asparagus that I've washed. I cut off the ends. Throw those to the side. You can make asparagus soup or something with them. I think those just went into the trash. So what I do, you don't have to do this, but I like to peel mine just a little bit because when you try to eat it with this prosciutto wrapped around it, it kind of makes it easy. But I could understand if you have a bunch of these you're going to do, you may not want to peel them, but I do prefer to peel mine. So after you peel them, I just like to dust them a little bit of salt and pepper, just a little bit. So, because the prosciutto already has a bunch of salt in it. So just take a piece of prosciutto, just wrap it up. This is how easy it is. Just wrap up the asparagus all the way to the top. You don't have to like cover the tips. Now, I add a little olive oil, salt and peppers at the bottom of my pan, and I just put them in there to where they can be close, but you know, you don't want them stacking on top of them. Just a little airspace in between each of the asparagus. And we're going to put these in a 400-degree oven for 10 minutes. And voila, they are done. So that's how quick these are. Maybe like 10 minutes of prep time at the most. And then 10 minutes, 400-degree oven. And they're ready to eat right now. The quickest little snack / meal. You can have these as a meal. Thank you for watching. And if you like these recipes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And until next time, peace out.